Okay, it's quite windy now, but let me tell you about this controller. So, it's pretty good controller for the toy grade drone, and it has everything. So here is a speed wheel. You have 3 speeds indicate with this light. So if it's no light, first speed. When the blue light is steady, it's second speed. When the blue light is blinking, that's third speed. And then you have a wheel for the camera. So you can put camera 90 degrees down or up. You have a button for the video, short press for the video, long press for stop the video. You have a button for photo, and you have here headless mode. Short press and long press is GPS off. So here you have automatic takeoff and land, automatic land. These buttons are left, right throttles, left, right, forward, backwards, yaw, and height, like up and down. So let me, and here is also the button for return to home and switch off button. So let's get to the chase. So if we want to initiate the circle mode, we press both buttons for the photo and video together, like this. So, and you hear the beep. So the second stage is you pull back drone, like, I don't know how much you want to, how big circle you want to take, and then when you press both buttons again, you see, and the drone will start to circle about this flag, for example, or whatever you put it. And the good thing is then you can operate the camera up and down. So let me put, so you can regulate camera up or down while you're circling without breaking the circle. And also you can put it, you can regulate the height. I don't know if you can regulate the speed, I don't believe so. And this is probably not ideal weather for this kind of movement, for the circle mode. It's pretty slow, but when it's no wind, it's doing its purpose flawlessly. It's really good. So if you want to get out of this mode, you just for example, go forward or backward or left or right, and you are out of this movement. So That's it about this feature. I hope it was understandable, and thank you.